Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to the Creative Book Club. So this week we will be reading Malibu Rising by Taylor Jenkins Reid. And if you don't know, I'll let you know. We will pick a book and then we'll journal without reading the book on what we think the book is going to be about. And then we will read the book. And then the following week, we'll do a craft kind of related to the story. It's just an idea that you could do with your friends, your book club, or even on your own. So this week we have Malibu Rising by Taylor Jenkins Reid. And I will just read the back of the book to kind of give you an idea about the story itself. So it says Malibu, August 1983. It's the day of Nina Riva's annual end of summer party, and anticipation is at a fever pitch. Everyone wants to be around the famous Rivas. Nina, the talented surfer and supermodel, brothers Jay and Hud, one a championship surfer and the other a renowned photographer, and their adored baby sister Kit. Together, the siblings are a source of fascination, especially as the offspring of the legendary singer Mick Riva. By midnight, the party will be completely out of control. By morning, the Riva mansion will have gone up in flames. But before the first spark in the early hours before dawn, the alcohol will flow, the music will play, and the loves and secrets that shaped this family's generations will all come rising to the surface. Malibu Rising is a story about one unforgettable night in the life of a family, the night they each have to choose what they will keep from the people who made them and what they will leave behind. So, sounds like a lot of drama. For my journal, I just decided to do a little take on the ocean cover itself. I did use some kind of watery acrylic and a straw to kind of make my waves in there. I decided not to draw on the little surfers, but just keep it simple. But hopefully you'll read it and tune back next week. Thank you so much.